I recently won this giveaway and I wanted to share with you all what I got. So let's take a look. So this little envelope was inside and it has a little note. It says, "Thank you for your support, Alicia. Hope you enjoyed Torri D. Thank you so much. I'm so excited." I will leave her YouTube channel and Instagram down below. So she purchased this in Milan. So I think that makes it more special and I'm excited. So this is the reverse monogram card holder and it is beautiful. It has 2 card slots and one in the middle. So this little card tells you what it's made of, and it's canvas. On the inside it's leather, and on the bottom it tells you where to find to take care of it. I just want to say thank you so much to Torri again, and I will leave her links down below. Check out her channel, and thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.